you're like me and lived in the city your whole life and never really did a lot of stuff in the country, now I live on 20 acres, so it's a huge difference for me now. But anyway, the one thing that I actually used to really struggle with was how to use those stupid tie-down straps. I could just never figure out how to feed it through or not feed it through, or how to get the little ratchet thing to work. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. I'm going to use my pickup truck, and I'm going to show you how to put it on in between both sides of the bed of the truck, so you can actually use it as a brace to kind of hold stuff. I use it to keep my gas cans from moving around when I'm going to get gas for the mower. So anyway, stay tuned. So in my pickup, there's a little eyelet hole on each side of the truck. So what I do is I bought this ratchet strap to keep stuff tied down. So what I do is I put one hook through that side, and I take this side and I put it through the other side of the truck. Now the tricky part is this ratchet part right here. So what I like to do is I take the long side, just like this, try to get it straight, keep it all going the same direction. And what I do is I feed it. If you look here, you can see this little slot. I feed it up through the bottom, and I pull it taut. So what you do is you take it and you feed it through the back. Once you get it coming through, you pull it through this other side here, and you pull it as tight as you can get it, just like that. Now this particular thing here has like a little release here. So if you pull this little pin right here, it'll straighten up. You pull it, it'll close. Keep the pressure up on it. It'll keep it open. So once you get it tight and you have this metal piece straight, what you do is you grab that little trigger, and then you just, by keeping this thing tight, you just start ratcheting it. Let go of the trigger and start ratcheting it like this. And now you can see how it's starting to get tighter. You can make it as tight as you want. Now, in order to release it, what you do is you take your finger, you grab this little moving trigger. You can actually see it moving. You pull it up, and you pull this back. Did you hear it snap? That's all the tension that was on that thing. And then you just keeping it in the straight position that you see it in, just pull your thing out. So one more time. Once you have this straight, you put it through. Bring it around the back side here. The trick is, and this is a mistake I used to make, I used to always not pull it tight. So once you get it tight, the rest is easy. You release the trigger, and then just start ratcheting it. You can feel it getting tighter. Then after that, you pull your trigger, bend it, it releases, and you are good to go.